Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials and taking the first actions now. Check cables and Wi-Fi, then run ipconfig or ifconfig and write down the IP4, subnet mask, and gateway so you know the baseline. Disable VPN and any third-party firewall briefly to remove variables. If on Wi-Fi, try a wired connection. If wired, reset the cable. Once done, disable and re-enable the network adapter to force a fresh negotiation with the router before deeper steps. You now perform the core fixes that typically resolve configuration failures. Release and renew the lease, ipconfig/release, then /renew on Windows, or dhclient commands on Linux, so DHCP can reassign a valid address. Make sure your adapter is set to DHCP unless you need a static IP. If static, confirm mask and gateway match the router's network. Update the network interface driver and examine the router's DHCP pool and ARP table to detect conflicts or duplicate IPs. These steps clear most mid-process issues. You finish by resetting persistent networking state and validating connectivity. Run a TCP/IP stack reset and flush DNS to remove stale config. On Windows, use netint IP reset and ipconfig/flushdins. Reboot the router, modem, and your device to ensure all leases renew. Then test with ping to the gateway and traceroute to an external IP. If it still fails, boot the device in safe mode with networking or inspect router logs for DHCP errors. That troubleshooting tip often reveals configuration conflicts or hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.